Hello children, very good morning. Let us start with a new lesson, Raju's Hero, chapter number 3. Just listen to the story and I will be explaining the story along with reading. Okay. Raju was sitting in an armchair, feeling really upset. One of his legs was in plaster and it was on a stool in front of him. Falling off his bicycle and breaking his leg was not something he was proud of. See children, here there is a boy named called as Raju. He is Raju. Where is he sitting? He is sitting on a armchair. This is a chair. See, can you see? It is a restable chair where you can take rest by sitting at the back. Okay, this is an armchair and he is very upset. Why? Because he has got a plaster on his one of his leg. Can you see here? He has got a plaster on one of his leg. Where he has placed his leg? He has rested his leg on a stool. On which? On a stool. Okay. And he has fallen from his bicycle and he has broken his leg. And he was really very sad for that. The worst part was this happened just when his father, elder brother Rajan, and he had planned to go and watch the test match. His first live cricket match in the stadium with Sachin Tendulkar playing for India. It was a dream come true. The sports page in one of the national newspapers called him cricket wizard. Another paper called him a genius. This was the last day of the match and he was going to miss it because of his broken leg. I hate this, said Raju again. It's all right, said his father. They will be showing the match on TV. It will be a direct telecast. In fact, sitting at home, you will be able to watch the match better than watching it in an overcrowded stadium. Here you can see he is not happy because he wanted to see the test match. What he wanted to see? He wanted to see the test match, but he was unable to go due to his fracture in his leg. His father and elder brother Rajan were going for the match. So he was feeling very sad because it was a live cricket match in the stadium with Sachin Tendulkar. We all know Sachin Tendulkar, correct? He is the famous cricket player in India, correct? His names was, there were special names given to him was Cricket Wizard. And another paper also gave him a name as Genius. These are the special names given to the champion of cricket. That is Sachin Tendulkar. So this Raju was very sad because he couldn't meet the cricket wizard Sachin Tendulkar because he had broken his legs. So father is trying to convince him, stating that you can see the direct telecast, that is live telecast you can see in the TV. Can you see? He is sitting in front of a TV and he can see the match in the TV. Instead of watching it in the overcrowded stadium, means in the stadium many people will be there. So instead of that, he can see match happily sitting at home. But I still hate to be like this, said Raju. Rajan came in with some popcorn and chocolate cake. Here, have these, he said. I bought them just for you. You can eat while watching TV. It will cheer you up. I will tell you what, added Rajan looking at his younger brother. I will try to get Sachin's autograph for you. His very own name written in his very own handwriting. Raju was very happy. He waved goodbye to them and let his mother switch on the TV for him while he enjoyed the chocolate cake and popcorn. India won the match. When his dad and Rajan returned, they both looked very pleased. Dad was smiling and Rajan was singing, Indians are the best, Indians are the best. Hey Raju, I bought a hat for you at the stadium, said his father. You know, we won by 100 runs against Australians. Did you see Sachin? Asked Raju. Of course, said Rajan. He made 200 runs and took two important wickets. Guess what? Near the end of the match, he fell while trying to catch a ball. I hope he is not badly hurt, said Raju. So, you did not get his autograph? No, sorry. I will try next time, said Rajan. The next day, it was front page news that Sachin had injured his arm. He was to be out of the game for next 2 weeks. Even though Raju's father tried to convince him, he was really sad. He did not say, still I hate to be like this. Raju was not liking to be what he is now. Rajan came and he brought some popcorn and chocolate cake to he gave his brother to eat while watching the TV so that he will not feel sad. Then he also said that he will bring Sachin's autograph for him. Then Raju was very happy after listening that he will get Sachin's autograph. Then he waved his hand by saying goodbye to his brother and father. Then he requested his mother to switch on the TV and he had chocolate cake and popcorn while watching the match telecast. India won the match and the father and Rajan came back and they were very pleased. Means they were very happy and they were singing as Indians are best and Indians are best. Here Rajan was telling that he had a hat for you. He had bought a hat for Raju from the stadium. Who had bought the hat? Father had bought a hat for him from the stadium. And he also said that they won by 100 runs against Australians. Means the match had been won by Indians by 100 runs. So Raju is asking, did you see Sachin? Rajan said, of course. He made 200 runs. How many runs was made by Sachin? 200 runs and two important wickets. Guess what? Near the end of the match, he fell down. Who fell down? Sachin Tendulkar fell down. And he is thinking that he may not be badly hurt, said Raju. So he was unable to get autograph. Who was unable to get the autograph? Rajan. Rajan couldn't get his autograph. In the next page, in the newspaper, they saw that Sachin had injured his arm. So he was unable to play the games for next 2 weeks. 2 weeks later, Raju had to go to the hospital for a checkup. The doctor wanted to see his leg and put a new plaster on it. Raju sat with his mother in the waiting room. Raju, your turn please, said the nurse. Raju went into a little room. The doctor examined his leg and said it was healing beautifully. Then the nurse put a fresh plaster around his leg. His mother took him back to the waiting room and sat with him waiting for the bill. 2 more weeks, Raju, then he will be playing cricket, said the nurse. The next day, Raju was supposed to go to a hospital for his regular checkup. He went to the hospital for the regular checkup. So the doctor checked his leg and said that he examined. Checked means checked. Okay, he checked all his improvements in his leg and it was healing. It was healing day by day. And the doctor advised nurse to change the plaster on his leg. And they went back and sat in the waiting room for the bill. So the nurse is telling Raju that after 2 more weeks, Raju can play cricket. Who can play cricket? Raju can play cricket. So, you like cricket? Said a man who was sitting behind him. Raju had not noticed him as Raju's leg was placed on a stool in front of him. He was not able to turn and talk directly. He turned a little and said, I love cricket. It's my life. One day I want to be a great cricketer like Sachin. The man behind him laughed and said, you admire Sachin, do you? Oh yes, he is my hero, said Raju proudly. Next please, said the nurse. The man behind him got up and came in front of Raju. Now Raju was able to see his face. Sachin! He gasped. Here you can see children. In the next page we can see that. So one person who was sitting next to Raju, where it was in the hospital. He asked him, so you like cricket? So Raju is answering that he was not able. he was not able to turn and talk to him directly. But what he did, he turned a little and said, I love cricket, it's my life. One day I want to be a great cricketer like Sachin. So he said he wanted to be a great personality of in the cricket like Sachin. So Sachin laughed and asked, Oh, you admire Sachin? Oh, yes, he is my hero, he said proudly. With proudness, Raju said that he is my hero. Now the nurse calls, next please. The man behind him got up and came in front of Raju. He got up and he came in front of Raju. Now Raju was able to see his face. Sachin, who had come here? Sachin had come. So Raju was in surprise. His mother and nurse was tongue-tied. Tongue-tied means they were not able to speak anything, because when they saw Sachin suddenly, they were all surprised, and Sachin had come to the hospital to get his injured arm checked. Means even he had come for the regular checkup for his injured arms to the hospital. So Raju, you can see here, Raju is looking at Sachin Tendulkar, and mother also, she is in surprise. They both of them are looking at Sachin Tendulkar. Raju turned to Sachin. Will you give me autograph? Raju requested for an autograph from Sachin. Otherwise, his friends will not believe him. So he requested him to give an autograph. Of course, I will. Sachin said, yes, of course, I will give you. What did he write on his plaster? Sachin gave autograph on his plaster. Whose plaster? On Raju's plaster. That was to Raju from his hero. All the best, Sachin Tendulkar. So this was the message written by Sachin on his plaster. On what he had written? On the plaster of Raju, it was written. And then Sachin, Raju and his mother were speaking for some time. They chatted there, and then Sachin left to see the doctor. Where did he go? Sachin left to see the doctor. When the plaster was removed from his leg, means after some days, when the plaster was removed from Raju's legs, he hung it up in his room. Hung means hang. Means what did he do? He hanged his plaster. This plaster is there, no? This one he hanged in his room. Every morning he was looking at Sachin's autograph on his plaster and goes to school. Before going to the school, Raju was looking at what? The plaster on which Sachin had done the autograph. Message from this lesson is, dream on, dreams comes true. Here Raju's dream has come true. What was Raju's dream? He wanted to see Sachin, so he saw him. This was dream come true for Raju. Thank you children. Thank you for watching this lesson. This lesson is written by, can you see the name here? Savitri Pandian. Who had written this lesson? It is Savitri Pandian. Thank you. Thank you once again.